Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to show you 2 easy paper crafts which you can easily make at home. So first take a red colored paper, measure 2 cm, join it to make a broad strip. Now make 6 of them and cut it out. Now take one strip, place the another strip on top of this and paste it. Paste another strip like this. Arrange these strips in this sequence and paste it. Now take one strip and paste the other end like this. Similarly, take the another strip and join its ends. Paste all the strips one on the other to form a ball, like this. Take a square green colored paper and fold in this way and draw a shape something like this and then cut it out. So this will be going to be our paper tomatoes leaf. So paste it on the top of our tomato and our paper tomato is ready. For the second craft, you need to take a white paper, fold zigzag like this and fold it into half. We need to take one more like this. Paste it like this. Paste these two to form a circle. Now let it dry for some time. So we are going to make this DIY a paper panda. So we need to draw its eyes and its nose. And then cut it out. Oh, I forgot to make it ears. So let's make these ears also and then cut it out. Paste all this in this sequence. Paste the white circle in the black portion and our paper panda is ready. So I think that these crafts are really very easy to do at home. If yes, then like this video, share and subscribe. Thank you.